how to set up a chessboard correctly. Watch till the end for some bonus chess knowledge. The chessboard has 64 squares, with its 32 dark and 32 light squares. And placing the pieces or even the board in the wrong way can change the game entirely. We start by placing the board in such a way that the light square is at the bottom right of both the players. An easy way to remember this is light right. Let's place the rooks first on the corners of the board. Now we place the knights next to the rooks, and then the bishop. And now the tricky part is knowing where to place the queen and the king. Well, it's pretty easy. Place the queen on the square of her own color. Place the light colored queen on a light colored square and the dark colored queen on a dark colored square. And then we place the kings next to the queens. And last but not the least, we place our pawns in front of our major pieces, acting as the first line of defense. And that's how you place a chessboard correctly. And if you have watched the video up to this point, then here is your bonus chess knowledge. The horizontal rows are called as ranks and are named from 1 to 8. The vertical columns are called files and are named from A to H. Coordinates that appear on the board tell us where the pieces are on. The bottom left square of the player playing white is the A1 square and the top right square is the H8 square. These coordinates help us write chess notations. Click on this video to learn how to write chess notations.